Hey Siri, wake up.
Hey Siri is already turned on.
Hi everyone. Today I'm here to talk a little bit about technology. Um, till today, we have discussed mainly about our different adventures in travel. We have gone to different places and we have shared our experience on those travel adventures. Now we thought to let's talk on a bit different topic, which is about technology. Travel and technology nowadays go hand by hand, and it's impossible to travel nowadays without technology. So technology has to be there so that we can go to different places across the world. So that's why I thought to pick up on a topic on technology and share with you. For last few days, we were wondering to buy a device which should be a voice assistant as well as a smart speaker for us, which can serve both the purposes, which will a little bit intelligent in answering our questions, and which will sound good as well. So we thought to do certain obviously groundwork, some analysis on what are the devices which are there in the market around which serve these features, and ultimately we came to a conclusion and we bought this device very recently, which is Apple HomePod Mini. I'm pretty sure that you guys already knowing about this device, um, but I thought to share our experience in unboxing this device, showing you what's there in the box, and also talk about our feedback on it, what has been our experience to give you realistic feedback, um, and also compare with the devices which are in the market which also provide similar features and why we went for Apple HomePod Mini and not for other devices. So I believe that that will be really helpful for you if you plan to buy similar device in future. Um, yeah. So while we were doing analysis on what to buy and compare with the other products in the market, our main focus had been on integration with other devices which we have in the house. So most of the devices which are in the house, or rather I would say all of the devices, are Apple products. So obviously that's the first point for which we bought this one, for easy integration with Apple ecosystem. Um, Price range is also another key factor to determine why we bought this device. We didn't want to spend a lot. We wanted to stay within a considerable considerable budget because we were venturing into this world of smart speakers for the first time. So um, I think still in this segment, this one is a bit costly compared to other other brands which we have right now. But still, we went for it. Obviously, as I mentioned, Apple ecosystem has been the primary deciding factor for that. We have got MacBook, we have got iPad, iPhones, earpods, which we wanted easy integration with the smart speaker, and I think it provides that platform for that easy integration. But yeah, I think it has got a bigger brother as well, which is the main HomePod, which is £299. Sorry, I should mention this costed us £99, which we bought from Apple Store. I think in India it is priced around near to 11,000 rupees. So yeah, I think just 2 days back we went to visit a friend's place in Watford, and there we visited Apple Store as well, and we bought this product, um, which is orange in color. It has got 5 colors. I think orange is the best one, which we liked. Black and white were easily available in different stores, but we were not getting this one, and then luckily we found this one available in that particular store, and we immediately went for it. Now I'm going to unbox this device. Let's see what's inside. Oh, orange colored HomePod Mini. color is really good, and that's why we waited to get this color. Um, so this device is coming with the charging wire here. Then let's see what's there else there in the box. There are certain manuals, which normally Apple provides in each and every device, and here is the adapter, probably the 20-watt adapter. So yeah, that's all that there in the box. The make of the box is as usual typical Apple, which is really good. But I really like the make of this device. I mean, when I take it in my hand, it really feels nice. The texture is really good. The color is really attractive. So let's see. When I start using it, I will get to know more about it. Let's see how the HomePod Mini performs after unboxing. I've been using it for 1 or 2 days, so want to share the initial experience with you all. Okay, let's play with HomePod Mini. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Why is rugby the easiest sport? You get points for trying.
Hey Siri, tell me another joke.
What did the plate say to the refrigerator? Stay cool, dinner's on me.
Hey Siri, how is the weather in London today?
Looks like it will be cloudy in London today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 8 degrees, with overnight lows around 4.
Hey Siri, how is the weather in Kolkata today?
Looks like rain in Calcutta, United States today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 10 degrees, with overnight lows around 3.
Hey Siri, play me the song The Final Countdown.
Now playing the final countdown by Europe from Joydeep's YouTube Music.
Hey Siri, increase the volume by 2. Hey Siri, decrease the volume by 3. Hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri, play me a song from the movie Jawan.
Jawan title track by Anirudh Ravichander, now playing from Joydeep's YouTube Music.
Hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri, play the song Jhoom Jo Pathan.
Now playing Rose by Jonathan from Joydeep's YouTube Music.
Hey Siri, play me the song Jhoom Jo Pathan.
Here's Jhoom Jo Pathan from Pathan by Arijit Singh from Joydeep's YouTube Music.
Hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri, play a song from the movie Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
Now playing Free Nito NBXOFB UK drill type beat. Giovanni Prog, Army from Joydeep's YouTube Music.
Hey Siri, stop. As you've seen that Siri was replying quite instantly. The search was really good. I mean, when it comes to English songs, it was perfect. But as you have seen, when we are searching for other languages like Hindi or Bengali language from India, the search was always not really up to the mark. Probably Siri will improve in due course, but I think yeah, obviously it's more English based, and English search was really perfect because there is always some difference in the accent of the language in Hindi or Bengali or other local languages, so which might be difficult to understand by Siri the way we say, and the way Siri understands or replies. So there might be a little bit of difference, but from English search perspective, it's really good. And as you have seen that I can give the command to increase or decrease the volume, though there are controls over here, but when it comes to voice assistant, obviously you will be expecting to give the command from a distance, and you won't want to come to the device and then manually push the button to increase or decrease the volume. So that was really perfect for me. And you have already noticed that the quality of the sound, that was really good. I think probably comparing to other voice assistants or smart speakers in this price range, I believe the quality of the sound that it offers is really good. And I think that's one of the key point for which we went for this particular smart speaker. The texture or the fabric of the outer part of this device is really good. When I hold this device in my hand, I can feel that the premium nature of this device, and it's typical Apple. I mean, whenever it comes to any devices manufactured by Apple, it always has got this kind of feeling, this premium feeling, and this is no exception to that as well. So even this is one of the cheapest devices offered by Apple, but still you can feel that the premium nature of this device, the texture, the outer fabric is really nice. Probably, I don't know, in due course of usage of this device, I don't know, the outer color, will it still stay the same, or will it become a little bit dirty usage? But I mean, the purpose of this device is to you keep this device at a certain location in your be it in living room or your bedroom or in your kitchen, wherever you want to put that, and just put it over there. You don't need to touch. Everything is without touch. So from that perspective, the color should stay. It shouldn't get dirty. And yeah, it has got this USB-C cable, which is I think probably 2 meters. I don't know, but it's not short. It's long. It's good. Small Apple logo at the bottom of this device. Else, yeah, that's all about this device. I mean, it has got a bigger brother, which is the original HomePod device, which is a bit bigger in size, wider, and the price is also almost twice compared to this one. The price of the bigger HomePod is £299. Now, obviously, there will be different needs or use cases for which you should go for either this one or the bigger one. As per my need, I mean, I wanted a smart speaker for playing music, getting some basic information, let's say weather check or temperature check, or asking Siri about some basic information. So for this kind of requirement, I think this is more than sufficient. And if you think about the sound quality, you have already seen the sound quality is quite good. And I can assure you that if you intend to use a smart speaker in your living room or in your bedroom or in your kitchen, and I mean, obviously that will be more than sufficient. This will be more than sufficient. You don't need to go for bigger HomePod. If you have a big house, then probably that will make sense to go for the bigger HomePod. Or there is another option, you can go for multiple HomePod Mini. You will get 3 HomePod Mini in the price of HomePod. You can keep multiple HomePod Minis in different rooms, in different floors, but I believe, I mean, there's nothing much lacking in this one for which you need to go for bigger HomePod. Obviously, there's a difference in the quality of the sound. The bigger HomePod offers a much better experience in terms of sound quality, but this is not far. I mean, the sound quality of this device is quite good if you compare with other devices in the similar price range in the market. Obviously, there was a little bit of doubt in my mind, about the two leading voice assistants in the market, which is Alexa versus Siri. As per my research, Alexa is obviously more advanced compared to Siri. It has got a better knowledge base. Out of 10 questions asked, probably Alexa will give you right answers for 9, whereas Siri probably will give you 6 or 7 right. But I think based on our requirement, which is basic requirement, I think this is quite good. At least I've been using for this for last 2 or 3 days. I'm happy, honestly, and I think people like me who have got similar requirement will be happy as well by using this device. Let's call off for today. This vlog was more about the initial impressions we had for HomePod Mini. I think I have shared that with you all. Hopefully it will be helpful for you. There are more things which I want to share with you, more detailed explanations, certain tips and tricks which we have learned over the last few days, which are not always readily or quickly available on the internet. So I would like to share those with you in our next vlog. So keep watching. Thank you.